didn't want to flat iron this hair, I really wouldn't have to.
Got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny and we are here to talk about this bad boy right here. I know you have seen this blow dryer on the internet. I know you have. I was so excited when they reached out to me because I was so in need of a hair dryer. So thank you Laifen Swift for sponsoring today's video. You guys who have been following me for a while know that I've had my particular blow dryer for about a decade now. So when I use something, I want longevity, and I've heard nothing but good things about this, so I was excited to actually try it and share it with you guys. So I love the modern, sleek design of this blow dryer, and as you saw, I chose the silver blue dryer. Of course, the plug-in is a US plug-in, and it has a test and reset button for safety. On the back of the dryer, you have your temperature control setting and your speed setting. This Laifen Professional blow dryer comes with 3 different magnetic attachments for easy clipping on and off of the device. The motor in the air intake is at the bottom of the handle, and that's for better processing and air filtering. So there is a manual, you guys, on how to take care of your device to make sure it lasts as long as possible. So certainly check that out, and let's use this blow dryer. Of course, I'm going to use this blow dryer on my natural hair, so I am going to use the narrow concentrator, and you can always tell which heat setting you're on by the LED lighting. The blue is for cool, the yellow is for warm, and the red is for hot. I've already added my leave-in conditioners as well as my heat protectant off camera, so I'm just going to section a portion of my hair off and get to blow drying. I'm going to start out by rough drying my hair on cool air and medium airflow. Once I feel a good amount of water is out, I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to warm air and keep it on medium airflow. As a relaxed girl with high porosity hair, it is important that I use a blow dryer that's not going to burn my hair out or further damage my hair. That's why I'm happy to know that this has a smart temperature control system that's literally going to measure the heat and keep it at a low, comfortable temperature between 50 and 80 degrees to protect the hair from overheating. Can y'all see that movement? That is everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest of my hair. Just to let you guys know, I have not changed the airflow to high. I am still using the airflow on medium flow, and it's still blow drying up to 50% faster than my previous blow dryer. Not to mention, it's super lightweight, so my arms are not getting tired. Okay, now that all 4 sections are completely dry, I just wanted you guys to see all of this body, okay, and natural shine. I love it. Okay, so I had to cool down for a minute, change out of my robe. You guys, I blow dried my hair in less than 10 minutes. The blow dryer is giving, okay? Look at my roots. I didn't even have to go ham. Usually I'm working in one section for a long time. I really did not have to go ham on my hair at all. I am absolutely Loving this. You guys, no breakage, no fallout, like nothing. The only thing I did off camera was put some coconut oil on my scalp. But outside of that, like I didn't put it like directly on my hair or anything. So the only thing I have to do now is braid my hair down in preparation for this sew-in. I will be using this blow dryer on my extensions as well. So this is so bomb and it's lightweight. Yep, this is a winner. I will be back to blow dry my extensions. That was so quick, and if I don't want to flat iron my hair, I don't feel like I need to. Let's keep going. Okay, so I love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like just blown out. I am going to run through it with the flat iron one pass. Like the blow dryer did 90% of the work, let's be honest. So I'll be right back. It's no wonder this is considered and loved by professionals because it is so lightweight and it's pretty quiet. You start to style your hair the moment you put the blow dryer on your head, okay? It's so important that the blow dryer works efficiently. It dries your hair up to 5 times faster by spreading that water out across your strands and evaporating that water faster. And it also helps to quickly smooth down that cuticle. You guys know I talk about cuticles on this channel all the time because it is important. So it does smooth down that cuticle and lock in the moisture in your strand quickly. I love that this blow dryer actually does that. So you don't have to worry about your hair getting caught in the back anymore because everything is at the base of this handle. You just have to remember, don't cover the base. You shouldn't be holding it down here anyway. This has a really long lifetime, which I'm excited about because you know, once I love something, I stick to it. It becomes my ride or die. And this is her, she, me, you. Okay, if you were looking for a new blow dryer, I highly recommend this blow dryer. This is a great one to have. For us, we really are only washing our hair every 2 weeks. And so if we can cut our blow dry down to 15 to 20 minutes, that's even better. Don't feel like I need to put any, frizz serum in my hair, like nothing, you guys. Like I blew it dry, I ran the iron through it, and that is that. Like I love it so much. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that it helps somebody. And until the next time, be love.
And we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.